Hi you guys, it's me, Be Unique. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. If you're returning, you know you guys are awesome. So today's video is going to be a try on of everything that came in this month's December Boxy Luxe. So if you guys are interested in how I created this look I use everything in the Luxe except for the shower gel, then please keep on watching. So I'm using the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Oh my gosh, it's a clear... Okay, this looks like it's gonna be really nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, it feels a little thicker than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little runny. I don't even want to use too much now because I don't know if it's gonna feel thick. Yeah, the consistency is a lot thicker than it looks like. That's super weird. But yeah, I did use the cleanser. That was very lightweight. That one was really runny. It smelled like cucumbers and roses, even though it's soy. So maybe, I don't know, maybe there's cucumbers in here. But this felt really nice on the skin. I like the moisturizer. That feels really good. Huh. Now I'm going to go in with my Cosmetics Clean Clinical Luxurious Wand, Face Wand. I never used the face wand, but why not? I guess we go upwards, right? I'm not really sure if I'm using this right. Oh, maybe, you know what? Maybe I should read the directions. Hey, baby. Of course, now you want to be in here. I'm not sure if I would use this every day, but it feels cool. I don't know. That's funny. Hey. Come on. Okay. I am not going to use this right away. I will be using this body wash. Ooh, it smells really nice though. Like it has a very clean smell. It does smell really good. I don't know what I'm smelling, but I like it. I like the smell of that. Well, since I got the skincare stuff kind of out of the way, I'm going to get my base makeup on, and then I'll come back to use the Ginger. I will come back to use the lipstick, the highlighter, the eyeliner, and the eyeshadow. So yeah. So I'm going to take the cutest little thing ever. Oh my gosh. Storybook Cosmetics. I think this is the Little Briar Rose. Yes, Little Briar Rose palette. Oh my gosh, it's super cute. Super cute. So, I don't even know. There's some pinks in here. I'm going to play with the pinks. Ew. We're going to keep this fresh. Whimsy. Because we whimsy. We're going to... Sorry. Anyway. I'm going to start off with my fluffy brush. I'm just going to make sure I'm dusting off any excess powder because I did set my eyes prior. And let's see, the lightest shade, I don't know. If I wear that, I'm going to start with this all over my lid. I'm going to go into this shade right here, Spindle. And we're going to start building up the crease area. Then I clean off my brush again, and I'm going to go into the shade Briar Rose, which is this coral, or it looks like a coral to me. And I'm using this same brush. I am not changing brushes. And I'm going to focus it on the outer corner and the inner corner. I'm going to go in with Kiss first, and I'm going to use my pinky. It's this glittery shade. It feels kind of dry. But I'm going to go in the center of my lid. I know it's going to look... Oh, wow, that's actually kind of dark. So I'm taking this then all over my lid from the inner corner. Go back in with my brush, going into the shade Briar Rose and re-emphasizing the corners and crease area, helping the blending process. I'm going to go in the shade Enchanted. And, ooh, this is more creamy. I want that on the center. Like so. I just want it like that. Okay. I don't know if I like the formula in this palette. I don't know. Something about it. I'm not. I'm gonna try wetting it with some spray. Cause like I can see it being, there we go. Okay, it's way better wet. Way better. With that same brush, I'm gonna go back into the shade Kiss, which is that really dark, like glittery glitter shade. Just to bring back a smidge of color. Not too much, because honestly, I didn't want that. I didn't. I'm gonna add a smidge of it in the crease. Now I'm gonna go in my fluffy brush and just blend what I just added. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Briar Rose and Spindle on my fluffy brush and help blend, because I feel like it's not really blending. I'm gonna go back in with that little pencil brush in the glittery hot pink shade, just to bring back the inner and outer corners. This is a darker glittery shade, which is Talia, I think. Whatever that shade is, I'm gonna go in with that on my brush. Ooh, that, oh, look at that. I mean, it's all over ooh. Okay, I don't like what just happened. There's just chunks everywhere. I just want to blend this shade into the others. And that's it. It's, I don't know. I'm not liking the formula in this palette. It seems very patchy. And I'm not digging this palette. Just am not. Like I put color on and then it just wipes away. Like this does not. I'm done with the eyes right now. I'm getting very frustrated because things are wiping away. They're not blending correctly. And it's not like I don't know how to use eyeshadow. This formula is getting on my nerves. So before I get any more pissed off or ruin my makeup look, I'm going to wipe away my powder. Thank God I had this stuff on because, whoo, that was a hot fallout. Really quick, before I do the rest of my makeup, I want to do my bottom lash line to kind of help with this situation going on. And I don't know, it's just, I just don't like this so far. I'm gonna take whatever's left on this brush and just get underneath. I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and I'm gonna take the shade Spindle, which is that really pale rosy shade. Really get in there. I don't know. I don't like this. I'm gonna go in with Woodland and try to like fix my eyes. I just feel like it's patchy. It wipes away in certain areas. And I'm just trying to fix it at this point. And no matter what I do, it's like, it's a struggle. No matter what I do. I'm going on a pencil brush in that shade Kiss, that hot pink shade. I'm running that really tight up against my lash line. Okay, Kat Von D. I don't use Kat Von D. I stopped using her products a long time ago. I'm not going to get into it. I just don't use her. Don't like her. For the sake of this video, I will be using it. So, yeah. Let's see. My mirror is so far away. I don't even know if I'll be able to do. Okay, I was gonna say nothing's coming off. Oh, it's a brush. I thought it was like a hard thing. Okay, this is kind of making it hard for me. Ow! And I just poked in my eye. The design of this is not working for me. The other one she had, I think it was like Trooper. That design was a lot better than this one. Cause, oh, this hurts my eye. Oh my gosh. It's stabbing me. Yeah, her design of the other liner was way better. Way better. Oh my god. I hate this design. It's horrible. Oh my gosh, this wing came out way better. So I'm thinking it's just the way I was holding it. Really good. I like it. So I'm gonna take my brush and we're gonna do a swirly swirl. Ooh, that looks kind of dark. I don't know. This is a highlighter, right? Like, I don't know. Oh, I could be messing up there. All right, here we go. Here we go. Swirling. Okay, alrighty. It looks a little scary on the brush. But yeah, I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Lipstick in the shade Suck It. I feel like this goes really well with all the other shades. Oh, this is dark. Oh, okay. I mean, it looks dark, but darker than I was. Cool. There's like green and blues in there. Like, I don't know what's in there, but let's see. So this is the finished look that I made with everything from this month's Boxy Luxe. Overall thoughts, I'm not a big fan of this at all. It's cute, and the colors looked very pretty. But when I was using it, I found that it was patchy, was wiping away. There was a lot of kickback, fallout, and it was just I don't know, like certain shades don't blend well with other shades. So I don't know what's going on with the formula, but that needs to be handled because, yeah, I'm so glad I didn't buy this. It's a shame because I was actually looking forward to this. I never had them. I was looking, you know. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you have Luxe, if you have anything from BoxyCharm. Would you get BoxyCharm? And would you buy any of the items? Like, would you go out and buy this? Like, I don't know. Let me know. I want to know these things. If you haven't already, sting that subscribe button. Come join my little beehive here with me. Help me pollinate my videos on Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, and wherever else you can think of pollinating my videos. If you haven't, make sure you also hit that notification bell. That way you guys are notified of any future content. And I will catch you guys in my next video.